In this video, we've got the top 5 best London walking tours, which will make your trip to London unforgettable. I'm Ben from Travels Unfiltered, and let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, we suggest stepping into the vibrant history of London's rock and roll scene with the Great British Rock and Roll Music Walking Tour by Experienced Local Tours. In just 2 hours, you'll visit iconic locations where legends like the Beatles, the Stones, and Jimi Hendrix made music history. With a local musician as your guide, you'll hear hilarious stories and uncover hidden landmarks, making this a must-do for any music lover exploring London. Next, at number 4, we recommend embarking on an enchanting adventure with the interactive Harry Potter walking tour by Carpe Diem Tours. This magical journey will take you through iconic filming locations and hidden corners that inspired J.K. Rowling. Perfect for fans of all ages. You'll experience the magic firsthand, hear spellbinding stories, and even test your Potter knowledge with an interactive quiz. It's a must-do for any Harry Potter fan visiting London. At number 3 on our list, we suggest experiencing the charm of London with the Royal Historic Pubs Walking Tour by Experienced Local Tours. Wander through the city's most regal districts, sipping traditional British beer in 4 hidden iconic pubs and exploring secret alleyways and royal palaces. This tour is perfect for those looking to delve into London's rich history, enjoy captivating stories, and experience the local pub culture away from the typical tourist paths. Ranked second, we recommend embarking on the Medieval History Walking Tour with London Walks and delve into London's rich past. Starting at the Tower of London, this tour takes you through iconic landmarks like Tower Bridge, HMS Belfast, and St Paul's Cathedral with an expert historian guide sharing captivating stories along the way. Perfect for history enthusiasts, this tour offers a unique and immersive experience, making it a must-do for anyone visiting London. Coming in at number 1, we suggest joining the Jack the Ripper Evening Walking Tour by Meet the Street Tours to immerse yourself in the grim history of Victorian London. Wander the actual street where Jack the Ripper committed his notorious crimes, hear about the many suspects, and explore the dark world of 1880s slums and inner city poverty. This tour is perfect for history buffs and true crime enthusiasts alike, offering a unique and thrilling perspective on London's past that shouldn't be missed. If you're planning a trip to London, we've got your plans covered. Check out the pinned comment for some fantastic resources to make your visit unforgettable. You'll also find our London travel guide playlist there. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation amazing, like the best places to stay, top dining experiences, and much more. If you've found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable travel guides and recommendations. Until next time, safe travels.